Below is a sketch of a region bounded by the curve x is equal to tan of pi over 4y, and the line x equal to 0, which is the y-axis, and the line y equal to 1, which is over here. So first off, we need to find the radius, which is already known to us, and then we need to find ay, which is the area, which is given by this particular equation. So let's try to find out the area. The area is pi times gy square, so definitely we need to integrate with respect to y. So the coordinates of y starts from 0 and it ends at 1. So the area is going to be integration from 0 to 1 of pi. It will be uh, pi of, in fact, I don't think so. The solid is obtained by region cross section of the perpendicular y-axis, because the radius depends on the r, and the area is given by pi g by as far as the radius and the area. I don't think so they are interested in knowing the area, rather they are interested in knowing the value of ay, which will be used eventually in the volume. So what they need from us is just the value of ay. So that's going to be pi times gy square, and that's going to be pi times gy is nothing but a function of y, which is just x is nothing but gy. So gy is nothing but tan of pi over 4y square. So that's going to be pi times tan square pi over 4y. That is the expression for ay. And now we are interested in finding the volume, and the volume is the integration within the limits of c to d, where c is 0 and d is 1. So c is 0 here, d is 1 here. So that will be pi gy square, which is this. So that will be pi times tan square pi y over 4 dy. This is the required volume. So pi is taken out. Now tan square y is what? It can be written as sec square y, sec square pi y over 4 minus 1. There's a reason why I'm doing that. That's because the integration of sec square y, sec square is just tan. We know that it is a direct formula. So that will be 10 pi y over 4, and 4 over pi will come out because this is not y, this is pi over 4. So we have to make appropriate conversions over here. And the integration of 1 is just y, and now we can place the limits from 0 to 1. So the upper limit is going to be, if you place the upper limit, that's going to be 4 over pi times 10 pi over 4 minus 1. And if you place the 0, then tan 0 is 0 and y1 0 is also 0. So that's just 0 over 0. So finally, we are getting the value as, if we take pi, this will be 4 over pi times tan pi over 4 is 1 minus 1, and if we take pi inside, the answer will be 4 minus pi, because 4 pi times 4 over pi is just 4, and minus pi remains as it is. So this is the required volume. Thank you.